How to use affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind like a computer. And when I say like a computer, folks, that's what I mean. I'm about to tell you something that is so groundbreaking, folks. I really do think I'm the only one that knows this. I just came through this realization like the other day. You know, and I talked to one of my friends who's a REM team member. Shouts out to Felicity O'Neill for like having this discussion with me about this topic, because I felt like, oh my God, I should win a Nobel Peace Prize for this, because this is so real. This is so real. And I'm about to tell you how you can program your subconscious mind using affirmations just like a computer. Okay, so let's get right down into it. Divine power is working for us because we're trying to do right. Okay, so have y'all ever heard people say like the mind is like a computer? I'm pretty sure if you're watching this video, you heard it, right? Have you ever, have you ever heard that people say, you know, the human mind is more powerful than a computer? You've heard that too, right? Anybody's heard of that? Okay, I'm just making sure I'm not crazy, okay? So with that being said, okay, let's think about a computer, for instance. When you get on a fresh, brand new computer and you start to surf the internet, the internet is clear. It doesn't have anything in the cache, doesn't have anything in the history. When you go to Google and start typing in something, like only a little bit of keywords pop up under the search that you're looking for. I mean, the computer is completely brainless. It doesn't know who you are, right? But over a course of time, what does that computer do? It learns you. And you know what blows my mind? It's crazy because now they're making cell phones like Apple. It's like a cell phone that like actually starts to record all the data that you do on it on a regular basis, like everything that you text, all the people that you call, all the websites that you go to. It like records it, and then it makes it more easier for you to access and navigate through the, you know, the internet and to do like text messaging and stuff, because it's predetermined text message, predictive text, whatever they call it, the ish, you know, and then it's like making it so easy for you to actually use your cell phone nowadays. This is the technology that they use. But guess where they get this from, folks? Guess where? But they're just not telling you that. Your very own brain, our minds. This is how our minds think, folks. But a lot of people are so completely oblivious to this. So with that being said, let's take all of what we know about what I just said about a computer and like let's plug it into our mind. The human brain is more powerful than a computer, so it can work more faster, and plus it's connected to the universe. A laptop is not connected to the universe, which is why when it like begins to fail and crash, you have to go take it to a technician. It doesn't fix itself, you know what I'm saying? It does not fix itself. You gotta spend like $300 to go get you a program to like wipe out all the like negative energy that's in the computer, right? But we are able to fix ourselves, and that's what we're doing right now. So when, okay, think about this right here. Think about this. So the other day, I was like lifting weights in my room. You know, I'm bulking up a little bit. I'm not the biggest man in the world, and I don't plan to be the biggest man in the world. This is not something that I really want to be. But anyway, I found myself lifting weights. And I always have these weights in my room, you know, but I never really lift them. I never lift them at all. But I kept saying to myself affirmations like, I am lifting weights. I am lifting weights. I'm getting bigger. I would look at my mirror as skinny as I am and be like, I'm getting bigger. I'm getting bigger. I'm getting bigger. I'm getting bigger, 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 bigger. Like I would say these affirmations every day when I know I was failing to go to the gym, and the gym is still charging my card right now because I don't know why. I think I'm going to go there one day, but I'm never going to go to the gym and work out. I don't know why. But every morning when I get up, I say, I'm going to lift weights. I lift weights. I lift weights. I lift weights. Yeah, I'm getting stronger. I'm getting stronger. I'm getting stronger. Now, over a course of time, when you say these affirmations, even though you're not even doing the things that you're doing, you could be saying any affirmations. Just make sure it's like you're already doing it. I am doing this. I am doing that. I am this. I am that. I have this. I have that. Just keep saying it, saying it, saying it, even though you don't even possess the thing that you have, or you're not even working out at the gym. I am strong. Over time, your mind, your conscious mind, is going to leak that information down into your subconscious mind. And just like a computer, when you type in a website that you normally go to on a regular basis on Google search, guess what it's going to do before you get to the end of typing that website? It's gonna pull it up for you. So that's the same thing that's gonna happen to the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is gonna start working for you. So now your actions are going to perform you actually lifting weights like I found myself doing. And it was a complete revelation, because I'm like, why am I waking up every morning and I'm like lifting my barbells? Like, why am I doing this? And then my intuition was like, remember all the affirmations that you've been saying every day up until now? I made you lift these weights subliminally, subconsciously. You see what I'm saying? So, folks, this is how you can use affirmations, you know, to reprogram your subconscious mind, and it works. It works, folks. It works, people. Anything that you want. When I say anything, I mean anything. Limitless, infiniteness possibilities of all the things that you can manifest, folks. When you start to affirm that you already have the things, that you're already in the place that you want to be, that you already have the man that you want to have. Describe it. Every day, constantly. And then this information is going to seep down into your subconscious mind. And over time, you're going to actually have the thing that you want to manifest. It's really that simple. It's just like a computer, folks. It's just like a computer. The mind is just like a computer. So I just wanted to get on here and tell you this, folks. If you're going to do this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget this video, folks. Thank me later. When you do it big and you start manifesting all this stuff, do not forget about me. But anyway, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'm Trenius Henderson of the infamous Living Realm Network. Please make sure you subscribe over here in the bottom right-hand corner. Yeah, hit that red subscribe button and press that little bell notification so that you can get the notifications. I said that backwards. So that you can get notifications every 24 hours when I upload new content. Also, folks, if you want to subscribe, make sure you press this little icon right here. You see my face? Yeah, you see my face right there. Press that little face right there. Go ahead and get subscribed and check out some more of these videos right here that I have set up around me or whatever. And let's go ahead and let's become a part of the infamous Living Realm Network. Thank y'all so much. The mind is a computer. Do not forget, folks. I love you.